Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's quick video, I want to go over something with you that I purchased from the store. If you'd like to see what that is, stay tuned. In my last video, I talked to you all about garlic, the different types of garlic, and what kind of garlic I purchased. Now, I purchased garlic from a nursery, and it did not come with the name of the garlic. So I don't know what type of garlic I bought. I bought just a standard garlic and an elephant garlic. In my last video, you saw me plant that. Let me show you what I picked up today. Before I do that, I mentioned in my last video that there have been many years that I did not buy a seed garlic. I just purchased garlic from the bulk bin at my local grocery store. Well, today I went to the grocery store just to pick up some basic necessities, nothing major, and I wanted to get more fresh garlic because I like to keep garlic in my refrigerator to include dehydrated in my pantry. So I want to show you the garlic I picked up that I generally pick up from the bulk bin, what it looks like, and we'll talk about what I'm going to do with it. Now, many people say that when you buy store-bought garlic, grocery store garlic, that you don't know what type it is. That's true. You don't know whether or not it's going to grow or not. That's also true. But you can say the same thing about other items that you buy from nurseries or online or wherever you buy the things you buy for your garden. But in the grocery store that I shop at, I always buy this particular bulk bin garlic, and it has never failed me in my house. So without further ado, let's get into this bag of garlic. Now, at the grocery store, I'm going to put the bag down. I was looking for a few things in the fresh food area, but definitely one of them was my garlic. I really wanted to get more garlic in the garden because I want to make sure that I have enough for my household. And I really hope you all can see the color on this. I have a different filter on my phone, and so it's doing something really weird. It's focusing more so on, there we go. Can you all see the coloring of this garlic, how beautiful and purple it is? This is the garlic I always buy at my local grocery store and keep it in my kitchen. And I also put this in my garden. But as you can see, it's growing. It has decided to germinate. And several of them were doing the exact same thing. So these are going to go in the garden. Now the rest of these, I'm going to put as many as I can in the refrigerator. And if I need to, I'll dehydrate some. I'll probably dehydrate some. I have a jar that I keep in my refrigerator. Dehydrate what I choose to keep in the pantry. And I'll make sure that these two get in the garden. I'll probably put more than these two. I'll have to see how much more room I have in the garden. But I want to make sure that I get enough garlic in my garden. So let's chat for a quick second. If you are new to buying garlic, you can clearly see, and this is not organic, I got it from the bulk bin. Sometimes they have bulk bin turmeric. Sometimes, well, all the time in my grocery store, they have bulk bin ginger and bulk bin garlic. I just get however many bulbs I want and plant them. So these two bulbs will be going into the garden. I may put more than just those two, but I want to fill my kitchen up first before I put the rest in the garden because I've already planted some, but I will be planting at least these two to start. So if you're new to growing garlic and this is your first experience, you can try growing garlic from the grocery store. I would highly recommend trying a bulk bin garlic. It does not have to be organic. As you can see, this is not organic and it is beginning to grow. I would not use the garlic that comes in those little mesh bags, the white garlic. That to me doesn't seem like it would germinate. It seems like it could be possibly irradiated. I'm not sure. I've never had it germinate. I normally don't purchase garlic from the grocery store in those little mesh bags. I normally get it from the bulk bin. But as you can see, this is why. Because this garlic Not only is it beautiful, I hope you all can see that, it's absolutely beautiful with those purple stripes. I love that. It has a very strong fragrance, and I'm just smelling it through the paper. You can smell it through the paper, but it's growing. It was growing in the bin. It was right on top. I guess no one thought that was worth getting. So I was like, ooh, hello, garlic. So if you want to grow garlic and you don't want to purchase garlic from an online garlic supplier or a local nursery in your area or wherever else you may find nursery, a big box store, if you're in your grocery store and you come across bulk bin garlic, this garlic cost me 68 cents. And that's why I picked up a bag of garlic because it was 68 cents a piece. So I think it was 68 cents a piece. It could have been 68 cents a pound. I don't know, but it was 68 cents something. I have to check my receipt, but it wasn't that expensive. And so I want to say it's 68 cents a pound more than likely. But I got a big bag and I'll be filling my kitchen refrigerator, my dehydrated jar, and putting it in the garden. So I'm here to say you can grow garlic from the grocery store. It does work. I've done it before in the past. I've been growing garlic for the past 5 years. I'm going to keep growing garlic because garlic is good for your health. I'll put some information in the description box below to let you know how beneficial garlic is for the body. And I hope that you start growing some garlic today, or at least this fall, because it's time to get it in the garden right now. So thank you for watching this quick video. I greatly appreciate you coming along and listening to my rambles about garlic and how much I'm putting in my garden and in my kitchen. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up, share the video, leave me a comment. I love responding to everyone who responds to me. I do apologize. Sometimes it may take me a minute to reply, but I reply to each and every one of you. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, think about subscribing to the channel. Hit that notification bell so that you're aware of how many times I upload, or every time you'll get a notification of when I upload a video. And I hope to see you either in my kitchen or my food forest real soon. Bye for now. I've got garlic I've got to go process in my kitchen. Bye for now. This right here is how you know you have a hard neck garlic. Right there. This little stem that came out of the center indicates that this was a hard neck garlic. I hope you all can see that.